Okay, so it's the next day. I spent the night at my cousin's house for like 2 days, and then they chopped down a tree, and it was like big, and then it fell over and hit the power lines, and like caused fire and stuff, and the power went out for a while, and the city had to come and fix it. But now it's all good, and I'm back at my house, and I got some firewood. But I got some right there and some under my bed. I still have more to get out of the truck, so I'll see you guys when that's done. Alright, I went ahead and grabbed the rest of the wood, and I was watching YouTube the other day, and I saw someone make a chair. Like, they put a log right here and then 2 sticks, and then they wrapped rope around so it create like a backing for the chair. So I want to try recreate that, and I don't have the like same big thick rope that the YouTube guy had, but I have paracord, so I'm gonna see if I can make it work. Alright, so I have my paracord bag here. Open it up. Dun, dun, dun. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is tie it onto one stick. Yeah, if I can. And then take the rest of my hand and just kind of wrap it around, making a figure 8 pattern and kind of escalating as you go up to create the backing for your chair. Okay. Alright. So I finished weaving them through and just set the camera up. I made the sticks kind of rocky, so you know, it's not like stiff. Careful. This is actually a good chair. I made it right by the fire pit too, so be warm, cuz. And it's raining. I wanted to finish so much more stuff today, but blah. Thanks a lot, Mother Nature. I've been chilling out here eating sunflower seeds for like the past hour, just listening to music, and I just knocked down my wall. But I remade one of my paracord bracelets because the other one was getting all dirty and nasty. And I noticed, since it's raining, all of this water's been dripping in because of the way I tied this tarp. So I need to fix that. But I'm gonna go inside and probably watch Family Guy and play video games and finish cool stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I know it was cringy like all other videos, but please subscribe and thank you. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, and stop getting my camera wet.